The best southpaw guard is not a southpaw guard.
It's an adapted Orthodox guard, modified to solve the unique geometric problems of the open stance. You've been given the wrong shield for this specific war. In this video, we're not just showing you guards, we're forging the right tools for the right job.
The most common question a southpaw asks is, which guard should I use? And that is the wrong question. A guard is not a static wall. It is a specialized tool designed for a specific job. You don't use a hammer to turn a screw. In this video, we are breaking down the 4 primary tools in your defensive toolbox and explaining exactly when and why to use each one.
Tool 1. The high guard, the fortress. First, the foundation. The high guard is simple, safe, and provides excellent protection. It's the default for most fighters, but for a southpaw, it has a critical vulnerability. It's open to the Orthodox fighter's 2 primary weapons, the straight right down the pipe and the lead hook over the top.
For a southpaw, the high guard is not a home. It is a temporary fortress you use when you need to march forward under fire.
To make it work, you must make one key adaptation. Your lead, right hand, cannot be passive. It must become hyperactive. It is your radar, constantly parrying and controlling their jab so they can never set up their power right. A lazy lead hand means your fortress will be breached.
Tool 2. The Philly shell, the counter weapon. But a fortress is just for defense. To win the fight, you need a weapon system. The Philly shell, or shoulder roll, is a master's tool of deflection and efficiency. It can be difficult for Orthodox fighters, but for southpaws, it's different. The Philly shell is the most natural, advanced guard for a southpaw. Why? Because it's a system designed to solve your single biggest problem, the Orthodox straight right.
When they throw their straight right, your natural bladed stance and lead shoulder are already in position to roll with the punch. This defensive roll simultaneously loads your hips and rear leg, turning their attack into the perfect setup for your own fight-ending straight left counter. It is defense and offense in one fluid motion.
If you're ready to turn your defense into a weapon, you belong here. Hit that subscribe button and join the mission. Tool 3. The long guard. But what if you don't want to counter up close? What if you need to control a longer, more aggressive opponent? The long guard uses your lead arm not as a shield, but as a measuring stick and a frame to control distance.
Your lead arm is not a weapon. It is a fence and a blindfold. Its job is to live in your opponent's face. You post it on their glove, their shoulder, their forehead. It disrupts their rhythm, blocks their vision, and allows you to confirm the range for your straight left, all while staying perfectly safe.
This is your tool for frustrating aggressive opponents and controlling the pace of the fight from a distance. It's not for every situation, but when you need to build a fence, this is the tool you use.
Tool 4. The low hands, the trap. You have your fortress, your weapon, and your fence. The final tool is the most dangerous and the most misunderstood. You see elite fighters with their hands down and assume it's arrogance. It's not. It is a calculated, high-risk strategy.
This is not a guard. Let me repeat. This is not a guard. It is an invitation. You are intentionally presenting a target, your head, to bait a predictable attack that you are 100% prepared to counter. If you don't have an instant, automatic counter plan for the punch you are baiting, you are not setting a trap. You are simply being lazy, and you will get knocked out.
This is an expert-level tool only. It requires elite footwork, head movement, and a significant speed advantage. It is a late fight strategy, not a starting position.
The high guard is your fortress. The Philly shell is your counter weapon. The long guard is your fence, and the low hands are your trap. Stop looking for the best guard and start mastering the right tool for the job.
Which of these tools is missing from your toolbox? Let me know in the comments.
If you're ready to build your complete system, subscribe now. And to understand the core philosophy behind all these guards, watch my video on the Southpaw boxing basics right here on the screen. It is the perfect foundation. Train smart, stay ready.